Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by gathering prerequisites and moving straight to the Lakewood site. You must have the required woodcutting level and a reliable axe. This speeds chops and reduces failures. Pack minimal supplies, stamina, teleports, a small inventory of food, then run the fastest path to the nearest Lakewood hotspot. Once at the tree, position yourself where the spawn timer is visible and start chopping immediately. This first swing sets your rhythm and keeps the node active while you stack logs efficiently. Once you have momentum, switch to an efficient loop. Chop in short bursts, then bank or drop at 1 to 2 items left to clear space. You do this because maintaining inventory flow minimizes downtime. Make sure to watch the respawn timer closely. If it stalls, world hop or swap instances to keep harvesting. Also plan processing as you go, whether you're turning logs into planks for profit or burning them for experience. And keep storage ready so you don't waste time hauling full stacks back and forth. You finish by banking your final load and quickly tallying XP and profit so you can plan the next run. If logs aren't spawning as expected, don't panic. Relogging or world hopping usually clears stuck spawns, and you should check for quest or instance locks that prevent resource nodes. Make sure your gear and teleports are preset for rapid restart. Having a macro or hotkey for your teleport saves several seconds per cycle, which compounds into more logs over an hour. This small time gain is why preparation matters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.